I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. This morning I've been out doing some drain tile cleaning and we need to do a repair, and today the issue is a huge tree and the roots from the system have just crushed the pipe. So we're going to cut it out using alligator loppers. They're also known as jawzsaws. They're really designed to be used on tree limbs and pruning, but I use them for cutting root systems. Here's a huge tree, and this drain tile was put in maybe 20 years ago now, and I don't know if you can see it, but that whole pipe has been heaved up due to these roots. There's a huge root right here, and it's just heaved that pipe up in the air and has flattened it. It still has continuity, but it's flat now. So things back up behind this flat area. You can see that a root's holding it down here, and then it's just coming up and flattening out underneath this root system. Today's tools of choice are, of course, a hand axe and alligator loppers. This will cut up to a 4-inch diameter root, really meant to cut tree limbs and for pruning, but I use it to cut root systems. Now the real question here, is it worth it to purchase the alligator loppers to cut roots? Absolutely. Using an axe to cut, hard tree maples or oaks, it's next to impossible once they get really big. The alligator lopper takes care of it like it's going through butter. See if we can kick that out of there. Look at how smushed up that pipe is. Hard to see that, I guess, on video, but you can see that the root was growing right over top of that thing. And it's actually smushed there as well as up here, where the root has grown underneath of the pipe. Let's go ahead and cut this piece of pipe out of here so I can see what else is going on. Alright, here's the piece of pipe I just cut out. This is the top of it. The side. You can see how out of round and smushed up it is. And here's the bottom. Those roots that were growing up on it and over it just crushed that pipe. Alright, well, we managed to get through all the roots. Just to show you what they were. They were massive. Those things are huge. Huge roots. But we're about ready for hookup. Watch all of our how-to videos right here on Atlantic Drain.